Hey guys, what's up? My name's Danny, aka Thrift Fish. I'm an online fashion reseller. I sell mostly used clothing on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. And today, as I mentioned on last Friday's video, today I have an unboxing. I will often order things off of the website ThredUP, which is an online consignment platform. So you can buy and sell clothing there. And what they do, they have things called rescue boxes, which are items that they did not accept to sell individually on their website, but the original owner of the item did not want it back. So they will put some like things that didn't meet their quality check into these boxes, and so the quality can be hit or miss. Sometimes it can be bad, sometimes it can be just fine, and maybe there's just a little something wrong with it, or maybe really it's totally fine. So this is my first shoe rescue box. I've gotten the denim rescue box in the past twice. Is both times. But I did get a pair of good American jeans for the first time out of one, so it wasn't a total wash. But I've seen tons of videos of people receiving these shoe boxes, and I never grabbed one. And they come on the website during random times during the day, and there's not really a way to be notified, so it's kind of like you just gotta have your eye on it. So I was able to snag one. It is 15 pairs of shoes for $90, but of course you can use credits that you have on the site to go towards that price. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm very excited. I have not opened this. This is a true unboxing. I have had trouble doing those in the past without ripping into the box first. So let's go ahead and do it. I love shoes, so this will be interesting. All the videos I've seen have truly been either like awesome, I don't know, it's anywhere, middle of the road to bad, so it really is kind of a gamble. But the price is really pretty good, and if you have credits, it can be one of the most worth it grabs just to see, especially if the things you're sending to ThredUP to get the credit were given to you for free. That's too long of a rant, but anyway, let's go ahead and get into this, okay? All right, let's start here with these ADRIANA CARAS. These are like sort of Birkenstocky, but they've got like a calf hair top to them, and I've never seen this. Sorry, I think that was upside down. Never seen this logo before, this brand. Oh no. There we go. They're in good condition. They have like the marking, like the maybe price or size marking on the bottom from a store, so that might be why they got sent in one of these boxes, but I'll have to look these up. But they look like I can definitely make money off them. They're made in Italy. Seem like good quality shoes. They're a little like rigid, like I gotta like kind of work them a little bit, loosen them up a little bit. Oh, that's much better already. I had like a little bend in them. Okay, that's pair one. Pair of basic red Converse. I will probably take these to PLATOS. It's pair two. Pair three is this really cute pair of Aldo Gladiator sandals. These might go to PLATOS. Yeah, probably take these to PLATOS and see if they take them. But if not, they're in good condition. I'll throw them up on my Poshmark closet. I mean, it's not sandal weather, but that's okay. They're in good condition, and they're fairly stylish. These Blowfish also will just go to PLATOS. If not, I don't really know. I don't really want these, but they're not bad. I mean, I'll find something to do with these. Ooh, this also looks like it could be expensive. BIVIEL, but I've never seen this before. But it's just a like nice leather wedge, cork wedge sandal, little tiny peep toe there. So again, one I'm gonna have to look up, but promising. Just from the look of the soles, or the insoles. Footbed. What is this? Yep, a super trendy embroidered block heel sandal from Steve Madden. Again, I have the option to take these to PLATOS or sell them in my Poshmark closet. They are fairly trendy looking. I'm not saying this is going bad so far. This is a cute pair of ZARA basic, really strappy heels. I'll probably sell these on Poshmark. They're like a, I guess a real suede or some kind of faux suede, but I like that electric blue. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 7 pairs. Oh, these seem, we'll see. Okay, these are Crown Vintage, which these always catch my eye in the store, but I don't pick them up because I don't really think they have great resale value, but they're cute and they're boots and it's fall, winter, so, and they might be real suede. Yeah, they are. So I can burn off these little spots with a lighter, these little like things. Actually, I have one such lighter for this exact purpose. We'll just do it. So like, it's fine, it doesn't, it just kind of gets rid of the stuff. That's fun. Yeah, so I'll throw these up on Poshmark probably. Ooh, ThredUP. Designer shoe, but an old style. So these are Stuart Weitzman. I could maybe try to send these back into ThredUP or to the, they're not in bad condition. Like the heels are a little messed up, but not really. I don't know. I just don't, I could put these on eBay, I suppose, but not super my closet style. So little kitten heel, but I'll figure it out. Can't complain about the quality of the shoe. All right. My favorite brand in the world, Skechers. These are a cute pair of Skechers though. Just a leather slip-on sneaker. So I could probably take these to PLATOS as well. Ooh. Please tell me these are still like, okay. I think this is a really expensive brand. Anybody? FREDA Salvador? I'm gonna have to look it up, but this is like another like gladiator sandal, but like you gotta like buckle it up your ankle. But really nice leather, beautifully made. I think what happened here, I can't tell if this is, I think somebody like messed with the sole and put on their own Vibram soles. Cause look at how that's cut off on the bottom. I mean, I'm still gonna sell them. I just have to disclose that that is a thing, but what? That's so strange. I don't know. I'm gonna look it up, but I'm not mad. Here is a, I don't know what Truffle collection is, but these are some Truffle collection platform chunky boots. So I am gonna guess that these probably don't have a ton of value, but they are trendy, so could go either way. I could throw them on Poshmark or take them to PLATOS. I'll look it up though, I could be wrong. Looks like it's all man-made, so that's my guess. 3 more pairs? Oh boy, what is this? Okay, these, what are we doing here? These are in great condition. These are BCBG generation, like embellished, studded, sparkly, like sock sneakers. What? I want to look up the comps on these, but they're fun. They're just so strange. Oh, I see. There's a little spot here. Huh. These are interesting. Okay. It's so random what they give you. Oh, I don't know what to do with these already. Oh, they're Paul Green, actually. They're, Is this style in, guys? Is this old? They're Paul Green, but are these gonna sell? Should I send them to the Real? Do you think they'll take them? Let me know. Like, send me really beautiful brands, but like just not, I don't know. Is this like a vintage style? Is this like a style that's coming back? Or am I just like stretching? I don't know. I want them to be good. I think these are missing soles. Insoles, I mean. These are just some Nike free run sneakers, but they don't have any insoles. So I don't really know what I want to do with these, if anything. Let me know if you think I can do anything with these. So not the most exciting thing for the last pair in the box, but overall for my first box, this is pretty much what I expected. And it's not terrible. I definitely think I'll be able to make my money back at least. I was able to get this, you know, with some credits, and the price is already not bad for 15 pairs of shoes. Shoes already make a pretty high return anyway, depending. So I have some research to do, but I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. This was my first ever ThredUP shoe rescue box. I'll drop the link for those in my description. If you like this video, go ahead and give it the thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I gotta put these down. Please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you here. If you are new here, hello. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching. I appreciate you so much, and ready to have some fun and do some reselling. So that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and week. I'll be back on Friday with another video. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you again real soon.